how to redeem Roblox gift card on iPad. So I'm going to show you on phone, but it's the same process for your iPad. So what you want to do is just load up the browser on your iPad and Google search for Roblox. Go to your Roblox website here, and you will need to sign into your account. So sign into your account and click on continue in browser here at the bottom. So I'm just going to fill out my information here, and you want to click on login. Okay, so again, you want to click on continue in browser, and here, once you have Roblox open on your iPad, you will click on the gear icon in the top right, on the Roblox icon, and then you will see redeem Roblox codes. Click on that option and you can redeem your iPad gift card code right here, and just basically type it out. Toggle this, click on redeem, and if it's a legitimate code, you can redeem your Robux on iPad. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.